tested in 2023 easily tackle outdoor cleaning jobs such as dirty driveways or mildewy decks with an electric pressure washer. An electric pressure washer is an excellent piece of equipment because it produces dramatic cleaning results. It can quickly and safely wash a muddy vehicle or strip grime and goo from patio furniture, decks, or the siding on a house. Cleanup jobs that take a lot of time and elbow grease with a scrub brush and a garden hose are achievable within minutes using a pressure washer. Pressure washers use pumps and engines to amplify water pressure, turning your garden hose into a high-powered cleaning machine. There are two general types of pressure washers: electric-powered and gasoline-powered. While gas-powered pressure washers typically offer more power, electric pressure washers are growing in popularity for their combination of cleaning power, portability, and overall versatility. Plus, the best electric pressure washer models can tackle many of the same jobs as gasoline-powered washers used by professionals, and they are more affordable, lighter, quieter, and easier to store and maintain. There are many electric pressure washers on the market with a wide range of features, so it can be tough to choose the best electric pressure washer for your cleaning projects. In order to figure out which models are right for different jobs, we chose some of the most popular models and tested them for cleaning power, portability, and versatility. Keep watching video to learn more about shopping considerations and take a look at our detailed hands-on product reviews of some of the best electric pressure washers on the market. Best overall, Greenworks 2300 psi 2.3 GPM electric pressure washer. Those needing more cleaning power for more significant projects like siding, fences, and driveways may want to consider the Greenworks 2300 psi electric pressure washer. The higher pressure and flow rates of 2300 psi and 2.3 GPM help get the work done faster. A bulky frame and large 10-inch wheels allow easier access to projects located away from paved surfaces. The kit includes a turbo nozzle and 4 spray tips, soap and 15, 25, and 40 degrees. It also includes an onboard injection system for dispensing cleaning solutions. We found the spray wand grip and trigger comfortable to work with. The 25-foot flexible hose was easy to maneuver while cleaning all sides and under the hood of a riding mower. Combined with its 35-foot power cord, this washer has lots of reach. Its biggest downside will mostly impact those short on storage room, as they might find this pressure washer a bit of a space hog. Westinghouse 2050 psi 1.76 GPM pressure washer. The Westinghouse packs 2050 psi and has a water flow rate of 1.76 GPM. It can handle cleanup jobs ranging from light tasks like cleaning cars to heavier tasks such as desliming sidewalks. The washer has 4 3-inch casters that rotate 360 degrees, so it can turn on a dime and is easy to maneuver as you work. At just under 17 inches tall, it has a low center of gravity that makes it hard to tip over. The Westinghouse comes with 4 nozzles, a 25-foot hose, a soap applicator, and an onboard soap tank to pump up the cleaning power on your tasks. Working with the Westinghouse feels somewhat like using a wet/dry vac in a good way. A feature unique to this 4-wheeled pressure washer is that if the casters are unlocked, it can follow the operator with just a slight tug. The pressure hose had a high degree of flexibility for excellent maneuverability. While it may not be the best choice for big projects out in the yard, it's a great choice for most cleanup jobs taking place in the driveway. Best portable pressure washer. Win PW 1900 2000 PSI 1.6 GPM electric pressure washer. This wind pressure washer produces up to 2000 PSI with a water flow of 1.6 GPM, which is enough power to clean a deck or lawn equipment. It's just under 14 inches tall and wide and weighs just 20 pounds, about the size and weight of a small cooler full of ice, so it's easy to move around. The wind washer has a 36-foot power cord and a 16.5-foot hose, so it can clean objects relatively far from an electrical outlet and water source. This model includes a detachable soap tank plus a built-in nozzle adjustment to change the angle and pressure of its spray. At first glance, the Wind looks more like a portable tire inflator than a pressure washer. It is very lightweight and has no wheels or place to store the power cord or pressure hose when not in use. But it proves itself admirably in operation, with enough water pressure and flow to wash a car, clean patio furniture, or eliminate a driveway stain. Although very portable, in the sense that it is small and lightweight, making it easy to load up in the car, this pressure washer lacks maneuverability while cleaning. It's best and surprisingly effective for small tasks. Best bang for the buck. Sunjo 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM electric pressure washer. If you're looking for a quality pressure washer on the cheap, look no further than the Sunjo 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM electric pressure washer. Anyone willing to do a bit of assembly will be rewarded with a unit that boasts mid-range cleaning power and better than average hardware. Although assembly was necessary to get this unit up and running, the whole process only involved installing 4 parts with 4 screws and took less than 5 minutes. The housing and handle were plastic and felt a bit cheap, but everything lined up properly, and once assembled, it was sturdy. We had no other complaints. The pressure hose, spray gun, and connectors were of good quality, and the quick connect spray nozzles worked comparably to the more expensive models. In action, the Sunjo electric pressure washer performed well on all our projects. Both the pressure and flow rate felt moderate while performing the annual deep cleaning of a riding mower. It only left behind some of the hard-to-remove deeply embedded dirt and grass clippings around the discharge chute. Our Blue Clean Max BM 3000 electric pressure washer 3000 PSI 1.3 GPM 15 amps quick connect accessories, 2-wheel trolley, onboard storage, portable pressure washer, high pressure, car, patio. The machine performed as expected. Using the 25-degree green tip, the washer does a neat job of stripping off the mildew and other crud on the deck, leaving it bright and clean, ready for staining. There's a lot to like about this washer. The wheels, for example. Previous machines I've used were prone to tipping over. Not this one. Also, the power auto off when you release the trigger is nice. Overall, the washer seems well designed and sturdy. No leaks. I wish it had a trigger unlock so that you don't have to keep holding the trigger down while working.